नीचे कर लो ताकि बोलना शुरू करें।
I'm not talking unless y'all giving me land and 2,000 or more every week. You hear me?
Okay.
I'm getting my Pakistani passport and Pakistani ID.
You have Pakistani ID?
I'm getting it. Do y'all agree?
Nidal
I'm not
Ahmed Memon,
agree.
your friend?
Mind your business. What? Talk.
Tell me you have a Pakistani passport?
I'm getting one. Do you have one?
I have a Pakistani passport.
Oh, you do?
Why are you?
Okay, good.
What are you doing here?
Listen,
Yes. What are you doing here?
I don't live here. I'm chilling.
You chilling here? Why are you not taking your flight? To
It's
America?
none of your business. Now go home. Here,
Go home, bhai.
take it.
What are you doing here?
Take
This is
it.
not your place.
एक मिनट, if you haven't find him, what your
Back
plan?
that up.
No, please.
बिहारी में सब बात करते हैं,
He said you are very well woman. You are a decent woman. And whatever happened with you, it is highly wrong. Whatever happened with you, it's highly disappointed.
Put the Jeddah International Airport.
Yes.
Yeah.
Take them down.
How long your relation in Nidal? Your relation
ये आपसे बात ही नहीं करेगी, बोलिए पैसे चाहिए।
social media.
Robinson, where are Ahmed Nidal Memon?
What do you do in USA?
You know who is Ahmed Nidal Memon? You don't know? Why you come Pakistan? Why?
Why are you come Pakistan?
कुछ तो बोलना तो अल्फाज ही बोल रहे हैं।
Why you come Pakistan?
अहमद के बारे में पूछ लो, उनके बारे में बता दें।
Listen,
Yes.
Jeddah International Airport
Yes.
needs to go down.
Needs
Do you
to-
hear me? Once it go down, y'all could get out. That's all I have to say for tonight.
ओके मेरी बहन, ओके
Okay.
ठीक है।
भाई उसने आज रात के लिए बात।
Yes.
नाम क्या है उसका?
ओनीचा।
बोनीटा।
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज 29 जनवरी का दिन है और ये अमरीकी खातून ओनेजा यहाँ पे पहुंच गई हैं और ये एक ही बात कह रही हैं कि अगर मैं
Do you like say something? Your language is captured here.